Hello kids, have you ever looked up at the sky and seen birds fly together in the shape of the letter V? Isn't that interesting? Today we are going to find out why do birds fly in a V shape? It's not just for fun. There is a smart reason behind it. Okay, let's get into the topic. Birds fly in a V shape to help each other. When the first bird flaps its wings, it pushes the air down and creates a small lip for the birds behind it. This makes flying easier and less tiring for the next bird. So each bird flies slightly behind and to the side of the one in front. This formation helps the whole group fly long distance with less effort. This is called aerodynamic advantage. It's like a riding bicycle behind someone. The wind pushes less on you. The bird in front works the hardest. So, after some time, the bird moves to the back and another bird takes its place. That way, all birds take turns and no one gets too tired. It's a great example of teamwork in the nature. Also, bird can see and follow each other better in a V shape. It keeps the group together while flying in the sky. Let's see a real life example and fun fact. You can see this V shape playing with geese, ducks, pelicans, and cranes. They usually travel in a pattern during migration when they fly long distance to the warmer place. The fun fact bird can fly 70% longer in a V shape than flying alone. So kids, now you know why birds fly in a V shape. It saves energy, it helps with teamwork, it keeps the group together. Isn't nature smart and amazing? If you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe for more learning with me. Bye bye.